Deep beneath the mountains of rural China, construction workers broke through a wall they weren't supposed to find. What they discovered behind it has the entire scientific community in absolute chaos. We're talking about technology that shouldn't exist, machines that operate on principles we don't understand, and evidence that everything we know about human innovation might be completely wrong. The Chinese government tried to cover it up, but the truth always finds a way out. What you're about to see will change everything.
Number 12. TBM, Earth-Eating Machines. China dominates the global market for tunnel boring machines known as TBMs or Earth Eaters. These underground monsters tackle the most challenging infrastructure construction projects with exceptional precision. Equipped with extraordinary cutting heads, these machines penetrate solid ground with amazing accuracy. Their modular design allows rapid modifications to meet specific project requirements, whether building transportation tunnels, underground hydroelectric facilities, or subterranean mines. Daily breakthrough rates range between 8 and 12 meters, showcasing incredible efficiency. What sets Chinese TBMs apart from traditional tunnel excavation methods is their remarkable environmental impact reduction. While conventional machines generate massive amounts of waste during excavation operations, TBMs produce significantly less debris and waste materials. This makes them the optimal choice for projects demanding cleaner, more environmentally friendly excavation methods. The precision engineering allows these machines to adapt and overcome difficult requirements, achieving breakthroughs that seemed impossible with older technology. Number 11. The giant semi-submersible vessel. China operates massive semi-submersible vessels that handle enormous industrial structures like oil platforms and ships. These maritime giants feature 3 colossal cranes, each capable of lifting 3,000 tons. The vessel's unique ability lies in partially submerging its main deck underwater, making loading and unloading giant structures incredibly efficient without requiring additional port infrastructure. This process uses an advanced ballast system that adjusts the ship's buoyancy levels, providing a stable platform at all times. The engineering behind this technology transforms how massive offshore projects operate. These vessels become essential tools for major infrastructure projects and large-scale energy industries where moving colossal objects across vast ocean distances becomes routine. The semi-submersible design eliminates traditional limitations of port facilities, allowing operations in remote locations where conventional ships cannot function effectively.
I have a question for you. First, I would like to say that it is possible to follow the greatest curiosities of our world every day. But to do so, you need to be subscribed to our channel. So, are you already subscribed? If not, take the opportunity to subscribe now. Also, take the opportunity to like the video, so YouTube will recommend more videos from our channel. So leave your like right now. And now that you have done that, let's go!
Number 10. Jiaolong Deep-Sea Submersible. China's Jiaolong submersible can dive deeper than Mount Everest is tall, and that's not even an exaggeration. This underwater beast can reach depths of 7,062 meters, which puts it in an exclusive club of vehicles that can explore the deepest ocean trenches. The name Jiaolong comes from a mythical Chinese sea dragon, and honestly, the comparison fits perfectly. This 3-person submersible has titanium spherical cabins that can withstand crushing pressure equivalent to having about 700 elephants standing on every square meter. The really cool part is how it maneuvers underwater using multiple thrusters and robotic arms that can collect samples from the ocean floor. Jiaolong has made groundbreaking discoveries in deep-sea biology and geology, finding new species and mineral deposits that could reshape our understanding of life in extreme environments. The submersible's achievements put China among the elite nations capable of deep-sea exploration, joining only the United States, France, Russia, and Japan in this exclusive technological club.
Number 9. WK-75 Excavator Beast. The WK-75 excavator represents the pinnacle of mechanical engineering advancement in China, specifically in excavation machinery. This mechanical giant stands 23 meters tall, weighs 2,000 tons, and moves at least 75 cubic meters of earth with each scoop, equivalent to filling a mining truck with just 3 scoops. The immense power makes this machine particularly valuable in open-pit mines, where massive material quantities need efficient and rapid movement. Beyond its tremendous strength, this excavator comes equipped with the latest sensor technology and automated operating systems, dramatically enhancing safety. These systems help maintain worksite safety by preventing malfunctions related to overloading or inefficient bucket usage. The machine's computer-guided operations ensure optimal performance while minimizing human error risks. Operators can control this beast with precision that seemed impossible in previous excavation equipment generations. The combination of raw power and intelligent automation creates an excavation solution that transforms large-scale mining operations completely.
Number 8. World's largest tower crane, R272. The R272 represents the world's largest tower crane, featuring lifting capacity reaching 720 tons and heights extending up to 400 meters. This means lifting the equivalent weight of approximately 500 cars to the top of a building roughly 130 stories tall. However, this crane's power doesn't only come from its massive size. This engineering marvel combines enormous dimensions with cutting-edge technology, incorporating the industry's latest technological updates. Advanced systems enable successful execution of the most challenging tasks under extremely difficult and adverse conditions. Smart control systems enhance operational effectiveness significantly. One standout innovation involves movable counterweight technology that facilitates precise movements and improves lifting performance by over 60% compared to other advanced cranes. This element proves crucial for ensuring success in massive construction projects that are truly titanic in scale and complexity. The crane's sophisticated engineering allows construction teams to tackle previously impossible architectural challenges.
Number 7. Titanus Giant Drilling Machine. The giant drilling machine known as Titanus represents a symbol of China's structural development. Despite its German origins, being a product of one of Germany's prominent companies skilled at merging German precision with China's ambitious architectural visions, this machine boasts massive specifications. Shield diameter 17.63 meters, weight 4,850 tons, length 120 meters, and power estimated at 5,600 kilowatts, equivalent to more than 7,000 horsepower. The S8180 isn't just an engineering marvel, but also in drilling, having effectively contributed to building the world's largest underwater tunnel, earning recognition from Guinness Book of World Records. Designed specifically for the spectacular Twin Moon Tunnel project in Chongqing, China, this massive device played a crucial role in creating an underwater tunnel exceeding 4 kilometers in length, reaching depths of approximately 60 meters below sea. The S8180 King was designed to face severe geological challenges, including solid rocks encountered 30 times daily, demonstrating the magnificence of engineering and innovation behind this amazing machine.
Number 6. Yangshan Deepwater Port. China built a port on artificial islands in the middle of the ocean because Shanghai's coastline was too shallow for modern container ships. Yangshan Deepwater Port sits 32 kilometers offshore and handles more cargo than any other port in the world. The port complex consists of multiple artificial islands connected by a 32.5-kilometer bridge, one of the longest sea bridges ever constructed. These islands were literally built from scratch by dumping millions of tons of rock and sand into the East China Sea. The port can accommodate the world's largest container ships, some carrying over 24,000 containers each. Automated cranes move containers with computer precision, loading and unloading ships faster than human operators ever could. The port processes over 47 million containers annually, more than the ports of Los Angeles and Long Beach combined. Construction required creating typhoon-resistant structures that can withstand waves over 10 meters high. The engineering achievement transformed Shanghai into the world's busiest container port and revolutionized global shipping logistics. Number 6. Yangshan Deepwater Port. China built a port on artificial islands in the middle of the ocean because Shanghai's coastline was too shallow for modern container ships. Yangshan Deepwater Port sits 32 kilometers offshore and handles more cargo than any other port in the world. The port complex consists of multiple artificial islands connected by a 32.5-kilometer bridge, one of the longest sea bridges ever constructed. These islands were literally built from scratch by dumping millions of tons of rock and sand into the East China Sea. The port can accommodate the world's largest container ships, some carrying over 24,000 containers each. Automated cranes move containers with computer precision, loading and unloading ships faster than human operators ever could. The port processes over 47 million containers annually, more than the ports of Los Angeles and Long Beach combined. Construction required creating typhoon-resistant structures that can withstand waves over 10 meters high. The engineering achievement transformed Shanghai into the world's busiest container port and revolutionized global shipping logistics.
Number 4. Taisun World's Strongest Gantry Crane. Few heavy structures can match the prominent Taisun site at Yantai Shipyard in China, which hosts what's known as the world's strongest gantry crane. This crane possesses the ability to carry weights exceeding 20,000 tons, equivalent to more than 3,300 adult African elephants. Designed specifically to facilitate construction of oil platforms and massive ships, reaching 133 meters in height and 120 meters in width, enabling projects previously unimaginable for execution. The crane features approximately 50 kilometers of cables necessary for transporting extremely heavy loads. Since opening in 2008, China provided a qualitative leap in maritime sector construction operations. This massive crane came to capture attention and adds a highly sophisticated control system, ensuring safety and efficiency in every lifting operation, confirming that each operation proceeds smoothly and safely. The Taisun crane transforms shipbuilding capabilities, allowing construction of vessels and offshore structures that push the boundaries of marine engineering. Its precision control systems prevent accidents while handling loads that would be impossible for conventional cranes.
Number 3. SR-360 Rotary Drilling Rig. In the field of heavy machinery operation, China leads with the prominent SR-360 model as a standout mark in engineering and construction sectors. This machine was designed to withstand the toughest challenges in drilling operations, enabling excavation of massive holes with deep specifications reaching more than 100 meters and diameter reaching 2.5 meters. With operating weight estimated around 120 tons, this machine can handle various soil types from clay to solid rocks. Thanks to all these characteristics, the SR-360 rotary drilling rig became extremely important for large-scale projects like constructing skyscrapers, bridges, and tunnels. Its ability to adapt to different geological conditions gives construction companies the necessary confidence to face diverse challenges in construction work. The machine's advanced hydraulic systems provide consistent power delivery while maintaining precision.
Number 2. CSD-450 Suction Dredgers. Terrible tyrants for extracting materials from sea and riverbeds, suction dredgers play a primary role in dredging projects, thanks to their high capacity for extracting and transporting materials deposited long ago beneath the surface.
For example, CSD 450 machines, representing the peak of technology in this field, manufactured mostly in China but available globally. These machines, equipped with rotating cutting heads designed specifically for breaking up ground foundations, work to facilitate extraction and transport processes. These dredgers can dredge effectively and work at depths reaching approximately 12 meters, noting these numbers may vary slightly according to manufacturer and required work nature. The versatility of these dredgers makes them highly valuable, used in diverse works like creating ports and docks, river and canal maintenance, coastal project expansion, artificial island creation, aquatic habitat restoration, and even various mining projects. The precision engineering allows these machines to reshape coastlines and create new land from seabeds.
Number 1. Automated Container Terminal. The Automated Container Terminal, located at Beibu Gulf Port in Qinshan City, China, symbolizes advancement in port automation technology. As a vital element considering China's position as the world's largest exporter, the terminal features fully automated crane systems and self-driving vehicles that handle containers with excellent precision and consistent speed. The terminal relies on centralized control systems using advanced algorithms to effectively optimize container movement efficiency. This effective technology application enables the terminal to accommodate loading and unloading approximately 10 million containers annually, with unloading and loading around 700 container ships yearly. The automated systems operate 24/7 without human intervention, dramatically reducing operational costs while increasing throughput capacity. Advanced artificial intelligence coordinates every movement, from ship arrival to container placement in storage yards. The terminal's success demonstrates how automation technology transforms traditional port operations into...
Still curious? Then don't stop now. The next mystery is already waiting for you. Just click the video on screen. I saved it just for you. See you there, curious one.